Guys, welcome back. Okay, so we're on day 5 of the home renovation, building my husband a home theater. He's the one who watches in that living room all the time. That's his little cove, along with my dad. I don't watch too much TV, so I don't really go in there all that often. I should be back to coloring within another couple of days. I thought I'd be able to do it, but I need to get the back area done and my living room put back together because we have nowhere to sit. Besides, my nails are trashed. I need to get a manicure before I put myself back on camera. I tested my painting pole to see how high I can get. Without even extending it, I got it to go all the way up, almost to the ceiling. I should get it to the ceiling. It has a huge extension on it that isn't even used. So I should be able to get this whole entire wall painted myself. I don't think I'm going to get that. That's a little bit crazy. I'm going to have to hire somebody. Listen, you do what you can do. I love DIY everything home, so when I can't, I can't. So the thing about getting rid of things is things come back to you. You can never really just get rid of everything like I want to. I want to live like a minimalist, but the world doesn't have that. My neighbors gave this to us, or actually to my daughter, the one that was climbing up the ropes. This thing is like a monster. And it's for doing push-ups and chin-ups and stuff. She was so excited when they gave it to her. I was like, oh my God. So we've made some agreements, and if everybody agrees to get rid of the pool table and get rid of the foosball table, I will allow them to get a trampoline. And yes, this room is big enough for a large trampoline, and the ceilings are way high enough. So we're going to look into that. She has to buy it, but that's what she really, really wants. And I said, okay, if you get rid of the pool table and that thing, nobody plays with it. They did when they were younger, but we don't play pool anymore. So this is my life. This is our crazy house. We don't have a normal living room. We're going to have a home theater instead of a living room. We're going to have a trampoline room instead of a den or another living room. So, yeah, this is our mess. 3 weeks I give it, and it'll start looking more like a home. All right, I quit for the day. This is my progress. That's half primed. I got the back wall primed. I've got 3 coats of high gloss paint on the first door. The second has 1 coat. And let's see, what else did I do today? Oh, I finished priming over here. I have to do, of course, the ceiling. So that's all primed. I still have to do up there. 7 hours. I am old. I can't do this for more than 7 hours, especially when you're doing it by yourself. And I don't think I showed you guys. These doors they don't have their gloss. This has gloss on it. But what I'm most happy with is the closet is done. We got the shelves up. I reorganized my inside pantry. I have enough room in there now to put both my carpet washer and my vacuum cleaner. So that's done. Bathroom is still trashed. Haven't even gone in there yet. We pulled down the shower. I'm retiling. We already bought the vanity. The vanity is beautiful, but this project has been here for forever. I've been like painstakingly trying to pick colors for this bathroom for like don't laugh, like 2 years. Like, we've lived without this bathroom. There was a flood, and we bought everything for it except for the tile, and then I kind of got stuck on the tile. But the vanity is espresso colored. It's real pretty, very modern. So that's gonna go in. So we're getting there, we're getting there. I figured another maybe 3 weeks. We got all this. So it's going to start to slow down. I'm going to start working on it for maybe 2 or 3 hours a day. That's it. Not this major overhaul. The one thing I want to do is just finish up this back area. That's what I'm rushing, because I could put my furniture and everything back together and we have a family room again. So I'm rushing on that. I got a lot of the tack board up tonight. Was another thing I was working on, was the tack board that had the carpet attached to it. So that has to be pulled up out of concrete, which is not the easiest thing because they nailed it into concrete. So it doesn't just lift up. You have to like pry it up with that thing on the floor, that red thing. So that's my progress. I'm hopefully going to go clean myself up and then color for a little bit. I really feel like I need to. Got to do something other than painting and DIY.
Oh. Good job. There we go. That was really good. See? Yeah, nice. Woo!
My husband is gonna love this. He has no idea I did this. I have to adjust where I put the lights a little bit, but he has no idea I did this to his sign. It's got so many adjustments on it. And these are just LED lights in a USB port. I think he's gonna like the red the best. Pretty cool, and I could dim them. They don't have to be this bright. And then they can do things. I like that. I like the red too. You can make them flash and do everything. I just don't know how. But I think he's going to be quite happy. I got my paint swatches. I have no nails left. Look at this. Yeah, gross. The back wall, I'm leaning towards this color. But I may add it in a little bit grayer. I'm not 100% sure. And the person that I have to ask is my daughter. She is the color paint picker of the world. But I am leaning towards that one accent wall where the screen for the home theater is going to be as being this color.